Welcome to, if you're new, my name is Abria Perry and welcome to my channel. So I am starting a little weekend in my life situation for you guys. I'm about to run out with my dad and grab some bagels for myself and the rest of our family. So that is what's going on this morning, grabbing some bagels. My dad and I have been doing a little walk run every morning at this park near our house that we really like, but we did not go this morning. We've been waking up at like 6:45 and going to do that, but we both slept in this morning, so that is beautiful. A nice little start to the weekend. So yeah, we're gonna go grab these bagels and then I need to come home and finish editing my Finstyle Friday for today. If you, ooh, it's dark. If you're not following me on Instagram and you have not seen my Finstyle Fridays, you need to go ahead and do that right now. Follow me on Instagram at I am Brie Perry. I will leave it right here for you guys. But bagel time. Saturday, y'all. So we're currently, you can't hear me. We're at Marathon Sports, which is a sneaker store in Boston. It's absolutely amazing. I think I'm gonna get these. I need some new running sneakers and my feet are so freaking flat. So I think I'm gonna go with these.
You ain't had your real one yet. 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 Do it cause I love you. Understand, baby, there's a few things I can show you. Knowing that you're special, but I treat you like you're royal. Stay true, not perfect, but you're loyal.
I just finished working out and showering. I just have on this little set from Aerie. Today we are getting new carpet put in our house, so we've just been busy moving things around. We had to get things off the floor, so obviously they could do the carpet. I had vlogged prior to this and my camera was in this super weird setting. I don't know how I accidentally got it in that setting, but my footage was like this big, and when I tried to convert it, it got distorted and yada yada yada. I'm very sad. It was great footage. I had like redone our pantry. We had a whole little encounter with a sketchy dumpster because, like I said, we're doing renovations on our house. If you're new to my channel, I actually live in Atlanta, Georgia. I just graduated from the illustrious Clark Atlanta University, but I'm originally from Boston, Massachusetts, and I'm home visiting right now. So it is my family home that's getting work done. So my parents are like redoing a ton of stuff and really just kind of updating our house and making it more what they want it to be versus like what it needed to be for a whole family, because now I no longer live here and my brother is also going to be moving. So yeah, that's what's going on. Today is my grandma's birthday, so I just got off the phone with her, just chilling, talking to her. She's so funny, and I've been going through stuff and I found this like massive life-size rag doll that she bought me when I was little. Her name is Big Emily. She's my sis. And then I also found this music box. It was like a carousel that was my mom's when she was a little girl, and my grandma gave it to me. So we were just talking about that and chatting. I worked out this morning. I did a HIIT jump rope workout. I'll leave it here for you guys. It was really good, very intense, highly suggested, and really got it in for me because I've been running. I've been doing cardio, and like I've been doing cardio like one day and then doing like some type of like weight training, body weight, whatever, plyometrics, whatever it might be, like some type of strengthening exercise another day. So today would have been a running day for me, a cardio day, but because we had this stuff going on in the house, it was just too hard for me to try to go to the park that I usually go to. My dad and I, we usually wake up about 6:45 and go for a run, but it was too hard for us to do that. So this morning I just went in the front yard. I did 500 jump ropes, 500-meter sprints, hip thrusts, squat jumps, and plank jacks, and then a little ab workout. And what I do is I do 50 jumps and then take like a little breather, another 50 jumps, so 100 jumps, and then I do a sprint in between every 100 jumps. So it's like I sprint, jump, sprint, jump, sprint, jump, sprint 5 times. Hey y'all, so it's a little bit later. My brother and I just stepped out. We're running to Whole Foods to grab some sandwiches. Whole Foods sandwiches are so freaking good if you've never had them. My dad gets like this turkey one with peppers and like Dijon mustard. It's so good. So I think I'm gonna get that. They had bagels this morning and I didn't have bagels because I'm trying to get my life together, but I'm gonna have to have a sandwich because the sandwiches are just so good. And I worked out like enough. Like, you need carbs to live. I'll be okay if I eat some bread. I'm definitely not trying to be super restrictive. I'm just trying to get back on making healthier choices, like lifestyle wise. So, you know, maybe not eating ice cream every day, but yeah. So we're just gonna go get a sandwich, and then we're gonna go back home, eat our sandwich, whatever. And I have some stuff I need to put on Poshmark. The guys that are doing carpet, like I said, it is so loud. Like, it sounds like the entire house is about to fall apart with whatever they're doing. So they literally are doing my mom and dad's room and my brother's room first, and they moved all of their stuff into my room, and then they're going to move my stuff into one of their rooms. So yeah, that's the plan as of right now. My dad stayed back so that he can make sure everything was going well. My mom is working, and yeah, me and my brother are just driving.
You ain't had your real one yet. You ain't had your real one yet. You ain't had your real one yet.
You guys, look at this bag. I got this bag for my 12th birthday. It was a Juicy Couture hobo bag, hot pink. And I had the hot pink Uggs to match. I bet. Y'all couldn't tell me anything in this bag, okay? Courtesy of my auntie Jackie. I carried this bag to death. I even carried it for my backpack at one point with my little like Catholic schoolgirl uniform. I was giving y'all all the Gossip Girl vibes, okay? This is a photo album I found, guys, when we were cleaning up. Look at my mom and my dad and my brother. So freaking cute. This is me and this is my cousin Jabari. We are like a couple, like a month apart. I'm born in February, at the end of February. He's born at the end of March. Look. That's me, and that's my auntie Jackie. She's my godmom and my aunt. She's my mom's sister. And this is me and my grandparents, my maternal grandparents. So fat. I was such a little fat baby. And then this is my aunt and my uncle. This is such a cute picture. It's like 90s love. They were dating here. They weren't even married yet. So cute. And then this is my great grandma and my grandma and my great aunt. And it's crazy because it's like, even when my great grandma was younger, she was still really old. Like, she was like late 80s in this picture, like maybe even 90. I think she might have been like 90 in this picture, because like 14 years later she passed away when I was in 9th grade, and she was like 104. So she was like 90 in that picture. So even when she was younger, she was still older, because she had lived such a good long life. I'm gonna be honest, I just was throwing stuff in this bag
special, but I treat you like you're royal. Stay true, not perfect, but you're loyal. Yeah, you ain't that you real one, yeah. You ain't that you real one,
When I tell y'all everything that is within me wants to stop filming right now, I just broke my whole toenail. The whole top. It hurts so bad. Jesus. I'm done filming. Sis, talk about a workout. Talk about an experience. We lost a toenail today. We almost had 3 mental breakdowns. In addition to the one over the toenail, it was hot because my mom was hot. Excuse me, my mom was cold, so she turned off the AC, so it was hot. Yeah. And this is my first time filming with my natural hair in a while, and let me tell ya, taking off dresses over the fro, baby, it's a challenge. So yeah, my mom and I are about to go get some Jamaican food. This is the outfit. Random as always. It's pretty much like I just said on my story. If you're not following me on Instagram, by the way, go ahead and do that for way more laughs. It's like an unwritten rule that when I'm done filming, I have to put on the most random outfit ever. I don't make the rules, but yeah, so tie-dye shorts and a gray sweatshirt with neon writing, it is. So I'm about to go get some Jamaican food. I'm probably gonna get some curry chicken, some rice and peas, and I really kind of want a patty as well, but your girl has been doing really well, but it's Friday, so it's just like kind of my cheat meal situation. But my parents are talking about going to the Cape tomorrow, which means it's only right for me to get fried clams. So it's like, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Yeah, I'm almost done cleaning up my room. I need to just finish putting away the rest of my equipment. I used a couple different cameras today, so we are a little all over the place, sweetie, but we're gonna be okay. So I'm just putting all of this stuff away. Then, like I said, my mom and I are gonna go grab some food. As you guys know, we have been doing stuff in our house, so my parents have been doing a lot, and my mom is selling a whole bunch of clothes on Poshmark. I'll leave the Poshmark below. She has like so many gems from the 90s. So cute. But she has so much cute stuff, and she's selling a ton of it. So I'm helping her put that stuff on Poshmark. So I think I'm gonna iron some of the clothes later tonight. And yeah, that's what's going on. Let's go get some food. Hi friends. I need a mask. Which mask am I gonna put on to add to this random outfit? Because she's a good one. She's a good random one. Excuse the mop in the background. Yeah, no. We mopped. So, your phone? No. We got the goods. Your girl is hungry. All I ate today was breakfast. I should not have done that, but it was kind of like brunch because I woke up late, so I ate dinner late. I ate breakfast late. It was like a brunch. I think we ate at like noon, so I definitely should have had. I eat like 4 meals a day, 4 small meals and snacks.
Our new place.
I know. There's a
nice.
there's a new Jamaican place near where we live, because we live, you guys know I'm from Boston, and we live like 10-15 minutes outside of the city.
But 20, more like 20.
Yeah, I guess like 20. 20 solid from the Jamaican place that we usually go to. But the way Boston is set up is like, it's not like other cities where if you live in the suburbs you like never go into the city. We still pretty much go into the city for everything, and all of our family lives there. My parents grew up in the like urban part of the city. But anyway, there's a new Caribbean place near our house, so now we don't have to drive into the city to get Caribbean food if this place is good. And our usual place, it's really tiny in there, and apparently the line was like wrapped around the block today because of COVID. You know, everybody has to be 6 feet away, and it's like you can only fit 2 people in there 6 feet away. So my dad and my brother had gone to get haircuts, and they had stopped to get us Caribbean food on the way home, but the line was out the door, so they ended up going to our favorite pizza shop that's also like a town over from where we live. But my mom and I didn't really want that. We really had a taste for Caribbean food. She got goat and I got chicken, and it's gonna be so good. Here's what I got. I put it on a plate, trying to use portion control. Got some cabbage, it's good, nice and spicy, rice and peas, and some curry chicken. And then I have my patty in here. I already ate some. So hungry. This is gonna be so good, you guys. I'm very excited.